Hi! In front of me is CUBOT King Kong 7 and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. First of all, go into Devices Settings and click on Apps and Notifications. Now select Notifications over here. Scroll all the way down and tap on See All from last 7 days. Now select Most Recent at the top and click on the best option for you. In my case, Most Frequent. Lastly, tap on the blue sweater next to one of your apps from which you want to block notifications. You can turn them back on the same way. If you want to, you can also just click on one of your apps available on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!